Warning, this article contains spoilers for Ant-Man and the Wasp and Avengers: Infinity War. We're still many months away from the release of Avengers 4, but Marvel fans are already hard at work theorizing on what the heck is going to happen after that shock Infinity War ending. Ant-Man and the Wasp director Peyton Reed clearly doesn't have a problem with stirring the pot when it comes to the fan theory frenzy, as he's refused to rule out one particularly popular idea: time travel. Advertisement. Continue reading below. With half the world's population wiped out by Thanos at the end of Infinity War, including a significant number of the Avengers, many fans have concluded that the only way they're going to get out of this one is through the medium of time travel. After all, the Time Stone is very much a thing, so it must be possible. And a cheeky line in the first Ant-Man and the Wasp end credits scene seems to back up this theory, as Janet Van Dyne, Michelle Pfeiffer, warned Scott Lang, Paul Rudd, before he enters the quantum realm to watch out for time vortexes. So are the Avengers going to be heading back in time during the next movie? Based on the science that we've set up in the first movie and this one, I won't rule out the possibility, Reed told Huffington Post. Because, again, we are dealing with a time vortex. That could happen. He also confirmed that exploring the quantum realm is definitely a priority, as the Marvel Cinematic Universe develops. Ant-Man and the Wasp ended with a shock as Janet dissolved into dust alongside her husband Hank Pym, Michael Douglas, and their daughter Hope aka the Wasp, Evangeline Lilly, when Thanos enacted his plan. Reed confirmed that he'd felt the need to deal with the events of Infinity War but had wanted to handle it with the film's unique tone. It was the subject of a lot of conversation, obviously, about how we were gonna deal or if we were gonna deal with the events of Infinity War, he said. And when we landed on that structure, it just felt right to us. It felt like our movie and the playful attitude of our movie. We knew even before we put it before an audience. We hope this feels like we are kind of screwing with the audience in a really fun way. Reed clearly has plenty of ideas when it comes to the evolution of the MCU, as he'd also like to see the Wasp head up an all-female Avengers film. I'd like her running things, he said. I'd like to see her as the head of the all-female Avengers. I know Evangeline sort of said, maybe, that would be Captain Marvel, because she does have the word Captain in her name. But I think Hope Van Dyne is a very decisive leader and a tactician. In addition to being a brilliant scientist, Ant-Man and the Wasp is out now in the US and the UK. Book tickets here. Avengers: Infinity War is available to pre-order on Blu-ray, DVD or digital download. Want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account.